Hello guys, hope you all are doing okay. Today I made coconut chips, fresh coconut broken, chop it up and use a frying pan, put the coconut water in the frying pan with honey and cinnamon, and I began to fry it. You can still bake it if you want. So this is fresh coconut. Look at the coconut chips. Look. I use the water of the coconut to tip it inside the hot frying pan with some honey and cinnamon powder, and I began to fry it and fry until it get brown. Look at it. Fresh coconut chips. You can just do this while you are locked down at home with the kids, and they just snack on it. Coconut is very cheap these days. Just buy them and break it and make some coconut chips, with the kids. Yeah, guys, thank you for my subscribers, and please, guys, go down the icon below there and keep subscribing. Leave your comments, tell me what you feel about my cooking, and cheers, guys, and bye. Take care, my coconut chips.